This is going pretty good. He's going pretty good. Yeah, we use the scope. I mean, you look cool. You look pretty composed. I don't feel that way.
All right. There's the target.
Talk about bad ideas. Oh, God. Hey, right there, motherfucker.
Not face.
You got to stand back a little more. Step back. Can I get to something else?
Ready? Here, right here.
No, you're good. Hit me right there. Tell me when. Count down so I know.
God, dude, this is not happening.
This is a big-ass glare.
Oh, great.
Oh!
I can't really see.
You ready? Oh, count down.
Definitely this is happening.
Hold on. Okay. 5, 4. Oh my God, I'm so scared. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, wow. All right, pull out the 9.
It wasn't even a real in there.
Pull out the 9.
Are you alive?
No, you got it. I saw it hit.
Yeah.
Right here. Right here. You can feel it.
Yeah, motherfucker. What?
How'd that feel?
Now it's a 9.